I'm Dr. J.R. Killey, coming to you from PetMart Pharmacy, and today we're going to talk about how to apply topical flea and heartworm medications. So today our volunteer is one of my dogs, Beasley. He's here because last night he urinated on the carpet, so he volunteered as a way to make up. So basically all of your topical flea and heartworm medications are going to come in typically a small plastic cartridge. Going to be very small volumes, anywhere between half a milliliter and a couple of milliliters of liquid. Very easy to apply, very safe, but we just wanted to take you through this so that you can see how it's done if you've never had to do it yourself. So these medicines are going to prevent typically for 1 month. They can be anywhere from just a flea preventative to a flea and tick to a flea, tick, heartworm, and intestinal worm preventative. So what you'll do, hold on Beasley, is you'll just open up your medicine, hold on bud, and it's going to come closed on the tip. So you're not going to be able to squeeze anything when you just take the top straight off. So if you take the top and reverse it, and push down on top, you'll hear a little clicking noise, and then you'll be opened up and ready to go. So for Beasley, what we want to do is we want to make sure we get as much topical applied directly to his skin and not to his hair. So we'll try and find a spot typically right up here between the shoulder blades or on the back of the neck. Once you can see like a nice little pink patch of skin, we'll then take the topical and drip it right there. And it'll pull up just a little bit. That's not a problem. They're typically a alcohol-based solution, so they'll absorb very quickly into the skin. You can see that it's already starting to dry right there. And then he's good to go. So the reason why we typically apply them to the area behind the back on the back of the neck or between the shoulder blades is simply for the purpose of them not being able to lick it off. So one of the common misconceptions is that you need to take the medicine, start it at the shoulder blades, and drip it all the way down the back. That's not necessary, and it's just more likely for your pet to be able to lick the medicine off of them. So I would just apply it up here between the shoulder blades. It'll absorb within about 30 minutes. Most of the manufacturers will say that you can bathe your pet shortly thereafter. I typically tell my client owners, just apply it and give them at least 24 hours before you bathe them. Usually for dogs, I like to take my dogs for a walk after I apply it so they're not trying to scratch in the area and they'll just forget about it. And by the time you're back from your walk, you're good to go. And they're good to go. They're protected for a month after that typically. And then if there's any questions or concerns about allergies to the medications, just make sure to talk to your veterinarian about it. But other than that, Beasley's good to go. He's got his advantage on, so he's protected from fleas and ticks for a month. So again, I'm J.R. Killey coming to you from PetMart Pharmacy. And please feel free to post any questions or concerns on the bottom of the link. But we'll see you next time.